The figure is made up of a square ABCD of side 20 cm and a quarter circle ACD. BD is a straight line. Find the area of the shaded part. Take pi to be 3.14. Now, to do this question, we need to realize that we have a quarter circle inside of a square. Okay, and when we cut this into two, this figure becomes symmetrical, right? Becomes symmetrical such that the shaded part that is here has an equal part on the other side as well. Okay, because you have a quarter circle, and when you cut a quarter circle, you get half of the quarter circle here and the other half here. Okay, which means that when you cut through the center here, the shaded part's value here will also be exactly over here as well. Alright, so I'm going to shade one more time here in red. Okay, so this red color here that we see, red or orange here, is actually having the same value in area as compared to what we need. So when we take the area of a square and minus away the quadrant, we will get two of these shaded parts. I repeat, area of the square minus the quadrant, we will get twice of what we need. Alright, so let's find the area of the square first. This is just length times breadth, so 20 times 20, which will give us 400 square cm. Okay, and then we proceed to find the area of the quadrant. Quadrant is also called quarter circle. It's the same thing. So this right here will be 1/4 times pi times radius times radius. Now take note, this part right here is the formula for the area of one whole circle. But I don't need one whole circle. I only need 1/4 of it. Okay, so this will become 1/4. Pi has been said to be 3.14 times the radius of this quarter circle is from the center point to the edge. That will be 20 cm. So times 20 times 20. Okay, so 1/4 times 3.14 times 20 times 20. That will give us an answer of 314 square cm. Alright, so again, when we take the area of the square minus the area of the quadrant, we will get 86. And 86 represents twice of what we need. Okay, we only need one of this shaded part. So 86 divided by 2. That will give us a final answer of 43 squared cm.